Welcome to the best pick. The best Shark UV850 replacement filters are probably one of the most crucial components to maintaining the peak performance of your vacuum cleaner, ensuring that every clean is as effective as the first time you used it, and preventing the need for costly repairs or premature replacement of the entire unit. Without the right filters, your vacuum can lose suction power, spread dust and allergens back into the air, and ultimately shorten its lifespan, making the selection of these small but mighty parts a surprisingly significant decision for any homeowner. Number 5. Dttery LA502 LA322 Filter Replacement for Shark Rotator Navigator. Keep your Shark vacuum running at its best with this comprehensive filter replacement kit. It includes everything you need to maintain optimal performance. These filters are specifically designed for Shark Rotator Navigator Liftaway ADV Duo Clean Power Fins upright vacuum models LA502 and LA322. Ensure a perfect fit for your device. This kit provides 4 foam and felt filters for everyday cleaning, plus 2 HEPA filters to capture fine dust and allergens. You get a total of 6 filters for extended use. Easily replace your old filters with these compatible parts, designed to match Shark part numbers XFFK320 and XHF320. No special tools or modifications are needed. Save money and reduce waste with these washable and reusable filters. Simply rinse them out and let them dry completely before reinserting for continued use. Regularly replacing your filters ensures your vacuum effectively captures dirt and debris, contributing to a cleaner and healthier home environment for you and your family. What we like. This filter set offers a great value with multiple foam, felt, and HEPA filters. They are washable and reusable, making them an economical choice. If you're looking for a comprehensive and cost-effective replacement kit that includes HEPA filtration, this is a solid option. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for the Shark UV850 vacuum cleaner. These replacement filters effectively capture fine dust and allergens, maintaining the vacuum's suction power. Easy to install and replace, ensuring continuous cleaning performance. Number 4. Improvedhand Shark LA Series Vacuum Filter Replacement. Experience a perfect fit and great quality with our replacement filters. They are designed to seamlessly integrate with your vacuum, making installation quick and effortless. Notice an immediate improvement in your vacuum's performance. Our filters help restore powerful suction and contribute to a cleaner, fresher home environment. These filters are built to last, holding up well even with frequent use. They are washable and reusable, offering a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Keeping your vacuum running smoothly is simple. Just rinse the filters with water and let them air dry for continued optimal performance. Create a cleaner living space for your family. These filters are ideal for pet owners, babies, and anyone seeking a healthier home environment. Our value pack ensures you always have a clean filter ready. Rotate them for an extended lifespan and maintain peak cleaning power. What we like. Experience a noticeable improvement in your vacuum's performance with these filters, designed for better suction and smoother operation. They are also durable and reusable, offering long-term value. If you're seeking to restore your vacuum's power, reduce noise, and enjoy a cleaner home, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for the Shark UV850. These replacement filters effectively capture dust and debris, maintaining the vacuum's suction power. Easy to install and replace, ensuring continuous cleaning performance. Number 3. Anewise UV850 Filter Replacement for Shark Vacuums. Ensure your Shark vacuum runs at its best with our specially designed filter replacement kit. It's made to be a perfect fit for compatible models, offering a seamless replacement experience. This package includes everything you need: multiple HEPA filters for superior air purification, and foam and felt filters to capture fine dust and debris. A cleaning brush is also included for your convenience. Crafted from high-strength materials, these filters are designed to effectively trap fine particles, pet hair, dirt, and other allergens. Keep your home environment clean and healthy with superior filtration. Our filters are built to last. They are washable and reusable, maintaining their shape after cleaning. Simply rinse with water and allow them to air dry completely before reinstalling. Replacing your filters regularly is key to maintaining your vacuum's optimal performance. We recommend replacing them every 2 to 3 months to ensure it continues to clean effectively. No tools are needed for installation or replacement. You can easily swap out the old filters for the new ones, getting your vacuum back to work in no time. What we like. This kit comes with a convenient cleaning brush, making maintenance a breeze. Made from high-strength materials, these filters effectively trap fine particles and are washable for reuse. If you appreciate having all the necessary tools for maintenance and want effective filtration for a healthier environment, consider this option. What people say. The filters are a perfect fit for the Shark UV850 vacuum. These replacement filters effectively capture fine dust and allergens, maintaining the vacuum's suction power. Easy to install and replace, ensuring the vacuum continues to perform optimally. Number 2. Leadaybetter UV900 replacement filters for Shark vacuums. Ensure a perfect fit for your Shark lift-away vacuum. These filters are designed to be compatible with models UV850 and UV900 series, matching original part numbers XHF320 and XFFK602 UKT. Experience superior cleaning with our high-quality, eco-friendly filters. They are built to last and effectively capture 99.97% of tiny particles, down to 0.3 microns. This comprehensive set includes 2 HEPA filters, for foam filters, and 4 felt filters. A cleaning brush is also provided to help you maintain them. Keep your vacuum running efficiently with these washable and reusable filters. Simply rinse with water, dry completely, and they're ready to go again. For optimal performance, we recommend cleaning them every 2 to 3 weeks and replacing them every 2 to 3 months. This ensures your vacuum always works at its best. We are dedicated to providing you with excellent service. If you have any questions about these replacement filters, please message us anytime for a satisfactory response within 24 hours. What we like. Achieve a superior level of clean with filters that capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly materials, they also include a cleaning brush for easy upkeep. If capturing the finest dust and allergens is your priority, and you prefer environmentally conscious products, this set is ideal. What people say. The Shark UV850 replacement filters are designed to maintain optimal performance of your vacuum cleaner. These filters effectively capture fine dust and allergens, contributing to cleaner air in your home. Easy to install, the replacement filters ensure your Shark UV850 continues to deliver powerful suction. Number 1. Colorfullife UV850 filters for Shark vacuums. Ensure your Shark performance vacuum runs at its best with these compatible replacement filters. Designed for models UV850, UV900, and UV950, they offer a perfect fit. Our filters are crafted with premium materials, including FSC-certified paper for the foam and felt components. They are designed to capture fine particles effectively. This package includes everything you need: 2 HEPA filters and 4 foam and felt filters. Keep your home environment clean and healthy with this comprehensive set. Experience superior cleaning with our advanced filter system. The foam and felt filters use the latest technology to trap everyday debris, while the H12 HEPA filters capture 99.97% of tiny particles. These filters are designed for convenience. They are washable and reusable. Simply rinse with water and allow them to air dry completely before reinstalling. Regularly replacing your filters is key to maintaining your vacuum's performance. We recommend replacing foam and felt filters every 2 to 3 months and HEPA filters every 3 to 6 months for optimal results. What we like. Benefit from advanced filtration technology, including H12 HEPA filters and high-density foam, made with FSC-certified paper. This combination ensures excellent capture of fine particles and allergens. If you're looking for top-tier filtration performance and are conscious about sustainable sourcing, this filter set is a great pick. What people say. The Shark UV850 replacement filters are designed to fit perfectly with the vacuum cleaner, ensuring optimal performance. These filters effectively capture fine dust and allergens, contributing to cleaner air quality in your home. The washable design of the Shark UV850 replacement filters allows for easy maintenance and reuse, saving you money in the long run. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.